Hi. So this question is asking you to carry out the following conversions. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. First, we have 1.42 light years, or the amount of distance light would travel within a year, and they want you to convert it to miles. So first, let's just convert. We need to convert this into seconds, so we can multiply it by the speed of light, so we can convert that distance into miles. So let's just convert this time into seconds. So 1.42 years. How many days in a year? We have 365 days a year in 1 year. And you want to put year on the bottom so that you can cancel out your units here. And then how many days, or how many hours are in a day? 24 hours in 1 day. All right, so now your days will cancel out. And then how many seconds in an hour? 3,600 seconds in an hour. And then your hours will cancel out, right? So you're left with seconds. And then we'll multiply this by the speed of light so we can get it to meters. 3.00 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Now we'll get it meters, and then we want to convert this to miles, right? So how many meters are in 1 mile? If you just look this up, you should get 1609 or 1,609 meters. And if you just plug this all in, 1.42 times 365 times 24 times 3,600 times 3 times 10 to the 8th divided by 1609, you should get 8.35 times 10 to the 12 miles. Okay, so a very large number. And as you can see, we have 3 sig figs here because in our answer, or in our initial question, our initial number was 3 sig figs, so we just keep that same amount of sig figs here. Okay. Now let's look at the next question. 32.4 yards to let's see, to centimeters. So this should be a little less steps than the last question. Basically, we're just going to convert yards into inches and inches to centimeters. So how many inches are in a yard? 3 feet, right? And 12 inches per foot, so we can have 36 inches per yard. And then yards will cancel out. And then how many centimeters per inch? 2.54 cm per inch. And you can just plug all of this in. So 32.4 times 36 times 2.54. And you should get 2.96 times 10 to the 3 centimeters. And again, you have 3 sig figs because your initial value was 3 sig figs. Okay. Now for this last one, they want you to convert 3 times 10 to the 10 centimeters per second to feet per second. So this is kind of the reverse of this last one. We're going to be converting centimeters to inches and then inches to feet. So we're going to put centimeters in the bottom, 2.54 centimeters per inch. And we only have to worry about the top because seconds is still going to stay seconds as we go to feet per second, right? Centimeters will cancel out. And then we're going to multiply 1 foot for 12 inches, right? And then now the inches will cancel out and we'll just end up with feet. So feet per second, right? 3 times 10 to the 10th divided by 2.54 divided by 12. And you should get 9.8 times 10 to the 8 feet per second. Okay. Now it's 2 sig figs here because we had 2 sig figs in the beginning, so 2 sig figs again here. Okay. So yeah, that's basically this whole question, and I hope this was helpful and allowed you to understand unit conversions a little bit better. Thanks for listening.